Hello people, welcome back again to my video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make this vegetable sauce. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So I'm going to be using turkey, potato, zucchini and carrots to make this delicious vegetable sauce. So first I'm going to be putting my pot in my pan and putting my olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to be putting my my turkey inside. This turkey I've already deboned it, so I just put it inside to cook for about 5 minutes. And so I'll be stirring it and stirring it and stirring it. Then I'll just cover the pot and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to be stirring it. Then I'll be putting my potatoes, my sliced and prepared potatoes. I'm going to be putting my potatoes. I'm going to be covering it for another 5 minutes to cook. So if today is the first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you not get to miss any of my video. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, like and drop a comment. So now I'm going to be putting my carrots. I'm going to be putting my carrots and stirring it. And I'm going to be putting my zucchini. So I'm going to be putting my zucchini. I'm going to be turning it and just give it a good stir. Okay, just give it a good stir. So after I'm going to be seasoning it with my herbs, curry, nutmeg, and some seasoning and some salt. I'm going to be stirring it. I'll also be adding a little bit of thyme into it. So guys, if you want to diet, this remedy is for you. This recipe is for you guys. So I'm going to put in my pepper. So if you want to diet, you want to have that slim shape or something, you don't want to eat anything that will make you to get fat. So this remedy is for you. Just try it out, prepare it, and you're gonna thank me later. Okay, so yeah, I'm just seasoning it there. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water to, you need to have a little bit of juice. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of water, then I'll just stir it and incorporate everything together. So then I will cover the pot and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes, guys. You guys, this food, it tastes so good. This food tastes so good and juicy. Yeah, so after I finish turning it, I'll just cover the pot and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, guys, you guys, look at this food now. Look at this food. The food looks so delicious. It looks so pretty and delicious. You know when you are eating something that is pretty and delicious at the same time? This is it. So please follow this page and like my videos. Also share my video and please don't allow my work to be in vain, please. So now I'm serving it in my I'm eating it with my rice, so you can eat it with anything you want. So I'm eating mine with my rice. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. Please like and drop a comment. Bye bye.